On today's episode of Off-Grid Cooking, we're going to make a cast iron skillet pizza, but a little different. This one's going to be a pizza dip. It's going to be a pretty simple recipe. It sounded tasty and delicious, and that's one of the main reasons I chose it for this trip. And as far as ingredients go, have some pretzels as well as breadsticks for the dipping component. The base of the sauce itself is going to be cream cheese, marinara sauce, and sour cream. And then we have an Italian cheese blend that we're going to use in two different applications. And for my topping, we're doing our uncured pepperoni. But one of the beautiful things about this particular dish is that you can customize it to your own taste and do different styles within the pizza realm. So let's get started. Alright, we're going to get started by putting just a little bit of beef tallow in our pan. To that, we're going to start with our cream cheese. We're trying our best to make this medium heat, which means for me the damper is all the way closed on the stove. And we're going to begin by spreading and stirring the cream cheese. I got the whipped style to make it a little bit easier. This is going to be our base level layer. Alright. This pan might be slightly hotter than ideal, but I think it'll work for us today. To that, we're going to add our cheese. Again, I got a 6-cheese Italian blend for this particular occasion. You can use mozzarella. You can use a little bit of Parmesan. A few different options. And third will be our sour cream. You can do about a half a cup today. Now we're going to try our best to mix these three. And my oven, or stovetop I should say, is reading around 430 right now, so probably a little bit hotter than ideal, but I think it's within a reasonable range so we can get this thing done without any overcooking. Okay, so now we are going to spread our cheese and cream base to a fairly even level and add our marinara sauce. This is going to act like a layered dip, where next we're just going to build our pizza. At this point, we're just building our pizza. If you'd like to add bell peppers, if you'd like to add mushrooms or olives, those would all be awesome additional toppings. Today we're going with a simple pepperoni. cook covered so we can get our melty cheese and a little bit of a finish on those pepperoni. We're also going to use a little bit of coal from the fire. Try to get that cheese nice and melty on top. We'll let that cook for about 10 minutes. All right, it's been a little over 10 minutes. Let's take a look how things are turning out. Maybe just a few more minutes and let those pepperonis get cooked a bit more, but looking good so far. We're also going to be sure to add Italian spices. Probably could have been something I added to a few of the other layers throughout, like the cheese, but will be a nice topping. And here it is, looking good. Try it out for yourself. Let me know how it goes. My mission is self-reliance through sustainable living, and we're here to build a community. Click here to subscribe to be sure to get more awesome content for living off the land. And be sure to go in to enter for notifications. Click that bell, get notifications, and stay in tune. Subscribe, watch, and comment. Let's build a community. See you soon.